Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, disconnect every external device to rule out peripheral conflicts, then try a force quit on the frontmost app with Command-Option Escape. Choose the offender and force quit. If the UI remains dead, hold the power button about 10 seconds to force shutdown because a hard stop clears stuck kernel threads. Once powered off, wait 5 seconds and then press power while holding shift to boot safe mode. Safe mode loads minimal drivers, so you can inspect login items and remove recent apps causing the freeze. Once in safe mode or after a restart, reset low-level controllers. Perform an SMC reset because it fixes fan, power, and sleep-related freezes. The key sequence differs by model, but it's brief and safe. Next, boot into recovery with Command-R and run disk utility, First Aid on Macintosh HD, to repair directory issues that cause hangs. After disk repairs, reset NVRAM by holding Option-Command-PR for about 20 seconds. This clears corrupted settings like display and boot parameters. To finish, update or reinstall Mac OS from recovery if software corruption persists. Choose Reinstall Mac OS to keep your files, and make sure your backups are current. Once reinstalled, apply all system and app updates, then restore missing data from a verified Time Machine snapshot if needed. If freezes continue after clean software restores, run Apple Diagnostics by holding D at startup to check hardware, and make sure to remove or test external drives and RAM. If diagnostics report faults, arrange service through Apple or an authorized provider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.